Well, today, ladies and germs, we're making some deep fried chicken wings. And they good. First thing we gotta do, put them all in a big bowl and put some salt and pepper on it. This is just pre-mixed salt and pepper like the old Subway does. 2 parts salt, 1 part pepper. Put lots on. This is gonna be a good flavor underneath all that batter. So lots in there. And we just mix it up good. Next step is the buttermilk. Just regular old buttermilk. We pour it in just enough to cover everything. And then we cover it up with just some cling wrap, or if you got a container you got a lid for, either one. Just keep all that goodness in there. And then we put it in the fridge. Ideally you want to have it in the fridge for a few hours. Like it's about 1 o'clock right now, putting it in there. We're going to be eating these around 5 or 6. Several hours in there, let that buttermilk soak in. Alright, it's been 5 hours of marinating in the buttermilk. Time to make the batter. Start the batter off with just a buttload of flour. Believe me from experience, it's better to have too much than not enough. Now we season to taste. What I like is pepper, equal parts of everything. Pepper, salt, paprika, cayenne pepper. Just run your fingers through that to mix it all up. Do it again. See that kind of red color it's turning there? That's the color I look for. Like I said, I do equal parts of all of it, so I know that it's pretty much where I'm wanting just by the color of the flour. Now's a good time to go ahead and start up the fryer. I crank ours all the way up, which is 375. And get my station set up. Essentially the process is there to there to there, back to there to there to there. This is literally the most important part, is the second batter. Just put them back in the same buttermilk. Twirl them around. Back in the same batter. Delicious. Drop the wings into the fryer. minutes on the timer. Spices, seasoning, or toppings.